I recently got a new computer. By recently, I mean 7 months ago. With all new computers, there are differences between them, and rarely these differences are liked. But that is just changing to a new system. One thing I did not expect was differences to the operating system, as both my old and new computers are running Windows 10. But there are differences. While some could be due to the different makes, my old computer stopped being able to update its operating system 2 years ago, so that is a likely reason for others. One of the differences that I think is objectively bad is how the Wi-Fi connectivity icon displays. On my old computer, there was a different icon that displayed for basically every different status. Connected to Wi-Fi with internet, connected to Wi-Fi without internet, not connected to Wi-Fi with Wi-Fi networks available, and no Wi-Fi networks available. I would not infrequently have to look at these and they, along with my prior knowledge of how that particular Wi-Fi network I was connected to liked to behave, would help me quickly diagnose the problems and actions, if any, that I should take. However, on my new computer, even with all those different statuses still accessible once clicked on and the panel brought up, it only shows two statuses on the icon, connected to the internet via Wi-Fi and not connected to the internet. While clicking on the extra panel to find out what is going on is not that big of a deal, I just see no reason why they should change it. While most changes I can understand that while I may not like the design choice, or just be annoyed at the new workflow, someone else may like the new design or that workflow is faster for someone who's not used to the old one. This change seems to provide less information to the user while I can see no real benefit. And I even like the new no internet icon a lot less. Another thing that I find a bit annoying, though arguably an improvement, is the charging indicator. On my old computer, when I plugged it in, a light on it would flash, very useful, but soon turn off. On my new computer, there is a single white light indicating that it is plugged in, with no indication of the charge state. More useful than previous, but having gotten used to my phone, it seems annoying. My cell phone shows an orange light when it is charging, unless it gets to above 90%, in which case it turns green. Not exactly as I would like it, as I need to charge it all the way due to low battery life, but a quick click on the power button displays the charge level, even when it is completely off. It is not like my computer does not have the capacity to show different lights. When it is low on battery, an orange light coming out of this same location. The power cord of my computer has a light, which, based on its behavior, is attached to a fairly large capacitor that tells me if it is plugged in or not. Needing to know this is a bit weird, as I already have the light on my computer. I would like it if the computer would differentiate between charging and fully charged, so I know when to unplug it. Just add a green light to this location, or even pulsing the white light once the computer has been fully charged would do the trick.